In the previous lesson, we installed Joomla. I wanted to make sure that everything is working, properly. So now what we're going to do is take a look at the front end. And to take a look at the front end of the website, you notice at the very top right hand corner here, you see the name of your site. So you want to click on it, and it's going to show you the front end of Joomla. So right now we have the bare bones of Joomla, the core site without anything on there except the main menu, the login. So this is what we're going to work with, and we're going to build everything up, from this point on. But just to give you a quick overview, in Joomla, these are all the tabs that you're ever going to use on your site. So when you click on the systems here, it gives you a little more information what they are. And I cover everything in this menu in my course Joomla 3.0 for absolute beginners and Joomla 3.2 that goes over in details about everything on this menu. So I'm not really going to go over that in much detail now. So you go over to users, just the user section here. And then you have the menus, so you can create new menus, you can add new menus, you have the content. In Joomla, content or web pages are known as articles. So when I make reference to articles, I'm also referring to content pages. You can add new articles, and you have the components. And components are a way for you to enhance your website. By default, Joomla doesn't have the ability for you to, let's say you want to add like a video or something, or if you wanted to add some type of slideshow. Right now I can't really add the slideshow unless I add what's called an extension or a plugin or a module in order to do that. So right now everything is just the bare bones, just a framework that's here for you to use and to build on and to customize. And then you have the extensions here. This is where you can manage your modules, your plugins, templates, and language. So if you want to translate Joomla to different languages, they have a language pack, which is very, very, easy to do. And then you have the help button here, which shows you different ways to get help about different things on Joomla. So if you need help in translating this into a different language, you click on the translation here. This is going to take you to give you more information about how to do that. So this is the back end, and this is the front end, and everything is just the basic core. And if you wanted to change the name of the site here, you go to System, Global Configuration, and this is it right here. So if I wanted to change this to bring everything together, I can leave it like that and then click Save and Close. So now when I refresh this here, you're going to notice that everything is just a single word instead of 3 separate words. So that's the front and the back end basic overview. Okay, let's move on to the next lesson.